everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In today's video, let us understand how to build a small circle using an SVG tag in HTML. So let's get started. So as we had discussed seen in our previous video, an SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. So it is a way to create graphics in HTML using XML based markup. So this is how our output screen is going to look like, as in we are going to draw a small circle with a green background and it is going to be filled with yellow color as the fill color. So now let us jump back to our code to see how we can build this kind of a circle using an SVG tag in HTML. So let us jump back to our code here and understand what is the code that is written in order to build this kind of an SVG element in HTML. Now, as you can see in the code, inside the body tag, we have another tag called as an SVG tag, which is gonna mean to us as it is gonna be identified as Scalable Vector Graphics, having different set of widths and heights specified as far as different figures are being made with this tag. So here, as we are trying to make a circle, we would be making sure that we include a circle tag inside an SVG tag, making sure that we are building a circle with the correct X, Y, and the radius, which is specified for a circle. So firstly, we'll be specifying the width and the height of our element, which is the SVG element. Here it is being specified as 100 and 100. Then we'll be specifying what kind of element we are trying to draw. So that's where we are trying to build a circle here, wherein we'll be giving a CX, as in the x-axis values, the y-axis value, and a radius, along which the circle is going to be drawn. Lastly, we'll be giving this stroke and the fill values, making sure that we use appropriate colors as how we have seen in our output screen, which is allowing us to see right now that it is yellow in color, which is the fill color, and the outline or the strokes color has to be the green, which is going to be the outline of the circle. I hope this video was insightful, and stay tuned and follow for more such videos to Learn with Virali. Until then, stay tuned and happy coding.